Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at division of fractions. In order to divide fractions, we are going to follow these four simple steps. The difference between division of fraction and multiplication of fraction is just the additional step we have here, which is step 1. Okay, so let's look at the steps. The first step says convert division to multiplication by writing the reciprocal of the second fraction. So this is the difference between division and multiplication. Okay. Second step, multiply the numerators. Third step, multiply the denominators. Fourth step, reduce the resultant fraction to its lowest term. Okay, so let's follow the steps in solving these three examples. So solution A, we have 1 all over 2 divided by 1 all over 4. So let's look at step 1. Step 1 says convert division to multiplication. Okay, so let's do that. We are following the instructions. So we have 1 all over 2 multiplied by. So we have converted division to multiplication. So what are we going to do next? By writing the reciprocal of the second fraction. So this is the second fraction, 1 all over 4. The reciprocal of a number simply means making the denominator the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. So 1 all over 4 will become 4 all over 1. Okay, so we have converted division to multiplication. Then at this point, we can follow the remaining three steps. The second step says multiply the numerators. So let's multiply the numerators. The numerator here is 1. The numerator here is 4. So 1 multiplied by 4 is going to give us 4 all over. Multiply the denominators. 2 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 2. Okay, but if we look closely, we can reduce the resultant fraction to its lowest term. So 4 and 2 have common factor. If 2 goes into 4, we're going to have 2. And if 2 goes into 2, we're going to have 1. So our answer is equal to 2 all over 1. Final answer is equal to 2. This is because any number divided by 1 is going to give you that number. So our final answer is 2. Okay, so this is the first example. The second example, B, we have 2 all over 5 divided by 4 all over 3. So we are still going to follow these four simple steps. The first step says convert division to multiplication. So we have 2 all over 5 multiplied by writing the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 4 all over 3 will become 3 all over 4. The denominator becomes numerator and the numerator becomes denominator. So we have 3 all over 4. We multiply the numerators, and then the third step we multiply the denominators. So let's take them together. 2 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 6 all over 5 multiplied by 4 is going to give us 20. So we're done with step 2 and 3. Step 4, reduce the resultant fraction to its lowest term. So we're going to check if there's any common factor between 6 and 20. So 2 can go into 6 to give us 3. 2 can go into 20 to give us 10. This means our final answer is 3 all over 10. Okay, so let's look at the third example. Example C. We have 4 all over 11 divided by 5 all over 9. So our first step remains converting division to multiplication. So 4 all over 11 multiplied by, and then we write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 5 all over 9 is going to become 9 all over 5. Step 2 says multiply the numerators. 4 multiplied by 9 is going to give us 36 all over. 11 multiplied by 5 is going to give us 55. So fourth step says reduce the resultant fraction to its lowest term. So we check 36 and 55. Do they have any common factor? The answer is no. This means our final answer is 36 all over 55. I'd like you to solve this classwork and leave your answer in the comment section. Okay, so solve 8 all over 14 divided by 11 all over 7. So I'd like to see the answer to this question in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.